All right, what up guys? You know where we are? At the track, man. Haven't filmed anything. We're thrashing today. I got catch cans installed, door latches, bunch of stuff. So we're gonna get her unloaded, get her up to tech, make a couple hits. I don't know if I'm gonna make full hits or just see what it'll 60 on some fresh prep, but just gonna have some fun and see what it'll do. So I'm gonna get it unloaded and we'll cruise up. Got Ron setting the tires. I'm gonna get the cameras set up in the cab here so we can watch our gauges and make some hits. All right, so one hit down and I couldn't be more freaking stoked right now. Grab this slip. First launch on the track, so I didn't know what to expect, but it launched good. I'll throw a video up of the slow-mo of it launching, man. It looks pretty good. I think we got her pretty close, but fuel only, 25-pound launch. Let off at the 8th. Went 6:32 at 110. So fuel only, that's not bad. Wasn't too much smoke. I think we can actually turn the fuel up, but we'll put a little nitrous to it, and hopefully we can go like, you know, 620s or teens would be sick. Just letting off at the 8th so I don't get kicked out for going faster than a 999, but that calculates to a 9, so we're moving.
What we gonna do, Chad?
We're gonna make another hit. We got a little spray on her this time.
Put a little bottle on that baby. Gonna see if she can make some flames out that stack, boy. Put that baby up on a bumper.
Let them know there's diesel, or
I smell diesel bad.
it's at the end of the track. So pumped on that pass. Here's the slip. 6009, almost a 5, 114.4 miles an hour with a 13760. So this thing is working. All right, we got the fuel line put on. Got to fire back up, battery was dead, got to charge it up. We're gonna make another hit. And there she is running. I don't know if it's gonna go any faster. Gonna have a little less nitrous, a little less bottle pressure. But let's see if we can be consistent and be close to what we just did. So we're gonna get up there.
Bust the tires off of it.
Once again, we do have empty staging lanes. So this is going to be the final call if you'd like to make it past tonight.
All right, just gonna wrap this thing up back at the house the next day. Man, what an awesome night last night. Ended up making another hit after my 6.0 when the fuel line came off, and launched a little too spicy, got a little loose, so it went a 623 with a 14860. So really just lost it in the 60, but ran good. But we had a couple problems, so let's figure out what we got to fix before we head back out there. So it stopped charging, the alternator stopped charging, so probably blew a fuse or something, no big deal. My upper door latches, they don't grab tight enough, so about 100 miles an hour they pop past. So I saw on the website some guys add a little hook piece here, because this doesn't really do much. So probably gonna do that. And then last thing, probably the biggest issue, is we got a little oil coming out of the side of the head right there. So looks like it's head gasket time. I was going to pull it off because I got something in the works, and now we just got a reason to. So overall, super fun night. So pumped on having an almost 5-second truck. My goal was to go 9s, which I didn't run it out the back, but obviously when you go 630, 620, 6.0, and on the brakes at 10.1, it's a 9-second truck. So I did that, and my next goal is to go 5s. And man, we went 6.009. So we almost did it all in the same night. But for just the first time back at the track, super pumped. Finally feels like all this work I've been doing is worth it, you know, to make it all light and work better and actually put the times up there that it's supposed to do. It really feels good. And I'm really motivated to keep on rocking with it. So stay tuned. We're gonna get all this stuff fixed up. We'll head back, but until then, hang out and I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, almost forgot. Comment down below if you think it was sick. If you like the track videos, leave it a like, subscribe if you're not already. We'll see you guys later.